Hello ladies and gentlemen, just now you think to what I come to you. Just now I come to you how to create any photo we using ChatGPT. Yes, we enter in our app called is ChatGPT. Yes, we are going to change our photo. Yes, if you want a new photo, yes, you come here, you write every word think you want. Yes, you have get a result from your word you write. Yes, we click it down this sign plus, we get different platform. Yes, first add photo from app, 2 take a photo, 3 add photo, 4 add a photo. We want this word only, add a photo. We click here and we left to click here. We are going to our gallery. In our gallery we search our photo we want it to change. Yes, this photo we are going to change. We click here, done. We left to get our photo. Yes, we see. Yes, we are going to write what do we want our photo we change. Yes, as you see in this place we are going to write wording. Yes, we are going to write this word. You must write a word, be careful. Yes, our photo we are going to change cartoon style. Yes, as you see we are all ready to verify if we write this word where. Yes, we are going to change our photo cartoon style photo. Yes, if we left to write this word, we click here. Furthermore, this app is change everything our photo. All result you want. This ChatGPT is come to you. Yes, this photo we are going to change cartoon style. Yes, this photo you see we are going to change cartoon style. Yes, as you see our photo ChatGPT is changing. Yes, in just a few moments we wait the result from this ChatGPT. Yes, as you see our photo is calm. Yes, you see yes, our photo is a good, is a special cartoon. Yes, our photo is this. Scrolling down we see our photo cartoon. Yes, this photo is a beauty, more beauty. Yes, this photo is a beauty, more beauty. Yes, if you like this video, click subscribe, comment and share. Yes, if you want to download this photo, you must click here. Yes, if we want this photo upload to your gallery, click here and then photo in a few seconds is upload to your gallery. Yes, as you see, we click here open and then we go in our gallery. We are going to see whether our photo is downloaded. Yes, you see our photo was downloaded. I'm going to get other photo was changed from ChatGPT. You see this all photo. Yes, this place live in the studio. Yes, this photo is a beauty. No, this ChatGPT are not change cartoon. Other style is changed. ChatGPT is a come and change to you any photo you wish in your life.